Hariom children, respected parents, welcome to the video class of class 7. Today my subject is mathematics, chapter 4. The topic's name is the simple equation. So before starting this equation, this lesson, so we must know what is an equation is said about. So it is a very simple definition. Just look at the blackboard and you will clearly understood what is the actual meaning of a simple equation. The statement that the value of two mathematical expressions are equal is called an equation. That means it has two mathematical expressions and is given by an equal sign. For example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. This is an equation. It is because why? It has two algebraic expressions. One is 2x plus 3, another is 5, and they are operated by another sign, mathematical sign called equal sign. So an equation of the two mathematical expressions are equated by giving the equal sign is known as a simple equation. In a simple equation, what happens? You must have a variable. Variable means what? The English alphabeticals and numericals we are telling variables. Variables can be represented as A, B, X, Y, Z, P, Q, etc. Why they are called variables? It is because their value are variant, means different. For example, see, 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Here the variable is x. X means the value depends. The value of that equation depends upon that variable. Take another example, 5x minus 20. So this expression, the value of 5x minus 20 depends upon this variable x. That means if you put the value of x is 1, that equals to minus 15. That means x value 1, 5 into 1, 5, 5 minus 20 equals to minus 15. If I took the value of x is 2, then in the place of x you put 2. So 5 to the 10, 10 minus 20, that equals to minus 10. That means the value of an equation depends upon the variable. Variables are nothing but the English alphabeticals whose values are variant, means different. So in this chapter what we will learn? We will learn how to solve an equation. We have to give the method to solve an simple equation. Then we will solve some word problem and we will wind this chapter. So giving that one, I am giving some word examples. You just see it. For example, 5x minus 7 is equal to 8. This is a simple equation of a variable, one variable. In the higher classes, you make up the two variables. Math means here you are getting one variable, and some cases you will get a 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 like this. Here you will get a two variables, x and y. That is your study of higher classes. No need to worry about this one. We will go only one variable math. So how to solve? We can use the two methods to solve the simple equation. Method number 1 by equating balance. The number 2 by the method of transposition. Then two methods we have to use. Equating balance. Then next, the method of transposition. Method of transposition. Right? So this method is very popular and very convenient. That means you should know the two methods how to solve a simple equation, but the method of transposition is very convenient. So one by one I will clear. For example, one simple equation is given here, 5x minus 7 is equal to 8. So I am going equating balance. Means what? How I am doing, see? First I have to eliminate this 7. This constant value I have to eliminate. So I have minus 7. I will put plus 7 on both the sides. So before that one we should know in an equation we have two sides. One is left hand side. After equal, that is RHS or right hand side. So now we are trying to solve this equation by equating balance method. First look at the constant other than the value x. So minus 7 I have in LHS, I put plus 7 on both the sides. So here minus 7 and plus 7 they equally cancelled. So I got only 5x is equal to 15. Next, so here 5 is multiplied with the x. In the second step, I will divide 5 with the both expression. That means in LHS and RHS. So what I am getting here? X is equal to 3. That is my answer. That means I solved this linear equation in one variable and got the value of x is 3. That means this equation depends on the value of a variable. The value of a variable is 3. Whether my answer is correct or not, I have to verify my answer. Again, I have to keep here. You remember the value of x, I got 3 here. So put the value of 5 multiplied by 3 and check. 15 minus 7, 8. Yes, my LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, what I did it correctly and I got satisfied with the answer by verifying it. So second method I have to go. That is called what? Method of transposition. That means I have to transport all the things other than the variable x. But certain rule. If I am transporting anything from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS, they have to obey certain rule. That means if a number is subtracted in LHS, if I am transporting to the RHS, that will be added. Then anything multiplied, that's the side which is going to divide. So what I am doing here? 5x, I am taking that side first. Here minus 7 and going by taking plus 7. Now first solve. 5x equals to 15. Next, here 5 is multiplied. It is going to RHS means that mathematical operation division is going on there. So x I got 3. On both the cases I got the answer same. What I solved in the two different methods. One is by equating, another is by method of transposition. Again I am telling this method, it is very popular. You should adopt these methods. Another example. For example, p upon 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. Solve it by method of transposition. First what we have to do? This plus 2 I have to take in that side. So it became what? Yes, correctly you thought? That should be minus. Next, p upon 2 is equal to 6. Then what is 2 is divided here, and if I am taking that side, it should be multiplied. Your answer is 12. The value of p I got 12. Whether it is correct or not, how to know? To verify. For verification, again, you have to write the question first. Then what the value of a p you got in your answer, that you have to do. What answer you got? 12 you got. Then what I am doing here? P value 12 you got. 12, 6 to the 12. Yes, 12 by 2 plus 2. That answer is 6 plus 2. That equals to 8. Yes, I did it correctly. That means in the method of transposition, what answer I got, then after verification also, I got the same result. Means the two algebraic expression, its value in the LHS and RHS became equal. So in this chapter, what you have to do? Some word problems are there. First you have to convert into the algebraic expression, then solve it. For example, a simple one, 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. What question is again one time read correctly or clearly? If you are not understanding any question, read the question thoroughly first time, second time and the third time, and ultimately you will understand that question. What is given? 7 times m. 7 times m. Here m is the variable. Plus 7 gives 77. This is an word expression is given. First we have to convert into the algebraic expression, then we have to solve. 7 times means multiply. That means 7 you have to multiply with m. Plus means plus sign 7 gives equal 77. That means this word expression I converted into the algebraic expression part. 7 times m. Times means multiply. I am 5 times of your age means your age multiplied by 5. But answer is coming, that is my age. So what you got here? 7m plus 7 is equal to 77. Then solve it by method of transposition. Plus 7 going that side. What should we do here? Minus 7. Then 7m is equal to 70. Then m equals to multiply. That side going divided by 7. M equals to 10. This is your answer. Whether this answer is correct or not, again I told you, you just go for the verification. You will find that you did it correctly or not. I hope you understood this concept. So another word problem I am telling you. You first read the question carefully, then convert into the algebraic expression, then solve it. In another example of C, in the bracket math, 4 multiplied by m plus 1 is equal to 80. In the two ways you can do this one. First you have to divide or this 4 multiplied or open the bracket. Open the bracket means 4 multiplied with m, 4 multiplied with 4. So what is your answer? 4m plus 4 is equal to 8. Now it is looking very easy for me. So I can solve by method of transposition. So 4m is equal to 18 minus 4. 4m is equal to 14. Then m equals to, I hope you understood how I am doing. Then reduce to its lowest form, that is 7 upon 2. So the value of m is 7 upon 2. Take another example of a word problem. Here, Irfan says, this will be get in your textbook, page number 91, 3I. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Here the two friends, one is Irfan, another is Parmeet. Irfan and Parmeet. So Irfan what says? Irfan has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Let the number of marbles of Parmeet has x. Then Irfan has 5 times more than 7. So 5 times means Irfan has 5x plus 7. The number of marbles, how much Parmeet has? Irfan has 5 times and more 7. Marble. 5 times 7 marbles more than the 5 times of the marble. Parmeet has 77 marbles. How many marbles does the Parmeet have? Okay. Irfan has 37 marbles. So how much Irfan has got now here? 5x plus 7. In a book it is given 37, that I must to equate it. So according to the question, so 5x plus 7 is equal to 37. Now solve it, you will get your answer. 5x equals to 37 minus 7. 5x equals to 30. X equals to 30 upon 5. X equals to 6. So the number of marbles Parmeet has 6. Then Irfan has how much? 5 times. Then 6, 5, 30 plus 7, 37. Yes, my answer is correct. Like this, the word problem will be given. You have to read it thoroughly, then convert into the algebraic expression by taking the variable, then an algebraic equation will become, then the solve by method of a transposition. I hope you will understood this concept and it will be helpful to your further studies. Thank you.